Kia new Cerato Sedan. What we liked: value and warranty. It is praised for offering good value for the features it provides, along with a strong warranty, which is often appreciated by consumers. Ride quality. The vehicle's ride quality, even on county roads, is noted to be fantastic. This suggests that the car provides a comfortable and smooth driving experience even on less than perfect road surfaces. Second row space. Despite its compact exterior, the Cerato Sedan is commended for having ample space in the second row. This is a positive aspect, as comfortable seating for passengers is important, especially for longer road trips. What's not liked? Safety rating. The base model's 4-star safety rating is highlighted as a drawback. This indicates that there might be safety concerns or features lacking in the base model that could potentially impact its overall safety performance. Luggage space. Whilst the sedan variant of the Cerato is noted for its second row space, it's mentioned that the hatchback version might be slightly more space efficient when it comes to luggage capacity. This could be a consideration for those who prioritize cargo space. Wheel choice. The review suggests that upgrading from steel wheels to alloy wheels might be a good idea. Alloy wheels are often considered more visually appealing and can enhance the overall look of the vehicle. Price for such car is around $26, $27, $30 plus thousand. Infotainment system: 8-inch touchscreen, wireless Apple CarPlay and wireless and wired Android Auto. It allows you integrate your smartphone with the system for navigation, music and other functions. Bluetooth connectivity enables you to make hands-free calls and stream music from your smartphone. Also, it includes AM and FM radio with no digital radio provision, along with 6 speakers for audio playback. Infotainment system works well and responds promptly to user input. The car includes a 4.2-inch display located between the main gauges for the driver. Information provided, such as digital speedometer, selected drive mode and live fuel consumption data. Engine is quite reliable for city drives, and transmission is smooth and refined, so it is joy to drive in the city limits. Also, steering is well suitable for highway driving. Suspension system also is contributing to the car's comfortable and smooth ride. So Kia Cerato provides enough power and torque for efficient, comfortable and effortless driving. So it is a suitable choice for daily driving, particularly for urban environments.